Last week's Google I/O conference brought with it a ton of AI updates to streamline your workflow in so many ways. One of the top news stories out of the conference is that Google has now officially removed the waitlist for its AI chatbot, Bard, and many new functions are being added to the experience. So later this year, Bard will be paired with Google Lens so you can import your images into prompts and integrate outside partners' products to enable even more capabilities. The creative generative AI model Adobe Firefly, to name one. What else is new? Well, Google announced a new name for the suite of AI tools it's bringing to the workspace. Welcome, Duet AI. Where have you been all my life? So what does this mean for you, personally and creatively? Well, Gmail can support you while writing a client outreach email. Docs can help you with shaping your script or job application. Google Slides can help you visualize a concept or pitch with generative AI. Sheets can help you organize your project data, let's say for organizing an event or coordinating a team offsite, and give you a running start. And if you really want to dive into professional design, Adobe Firefly can help you with high-quality images, which you can then edit further or add to your projects. But if you're the type of creator who, for example, works on the go a lot, this may become your next favorite photo editing feature, the Magic Editor for Google Photos. I'm a huge fan. You'll be able to make complex changes without pro-level editing skills, like improving the overall composition or making the sky brighter, like this. There are, of course, many other possibilities for all these features, and I'm excited to see what else you all come up with once it's launched. So, when are all these features rolling out? Bard is available now in over 180 countries and territories. It will also function in Japanese and Korean, and it's on track for supporting 40 other languages soon. To test the new Workspace feature, you can sign up for the Workspace Labs waitlist. Find the link in the description below. And last but not least, early access to the Magic Editor is coming to select Pixel phones later this year. Which of these updates are you most excited about? Write it down in the comments. Moving on to the celebration of Asian Pacific American heritage, which is observed in May across North America. Our Google Arts and Culture colleagues are getting involved by expanding their library of content. The team is paired up with the Asia Art Archive in America to highlight the practice of archiving Asian American artwork and book art. Check out the Asian Pacific American Cultures Hub where you can find out more. You might find a unique content idea or some design inspo in the process. Next up, Reddit. Any fans here? If so, life may have just gotten easier for you. A recent update to the Reddit app for both iOS and Android delivers a long-awaited, revamped sharing system. Essentially, the tweaks will make it easier to share Reddit posts and conversations. Changes include an updated shared link preview for posts, which shows a visual preview of content, the subreddit name, total upvotes and comments, and the ability to share content directly from Reddit to Instagram stories without having to screenshot or download. For more information, see our full list of sources in the description below. Now, before I leave you to go create, let me drop some of my quick tips that can help you speed up your creative process. And I'm talking about Chrome extensions creators, and yes, I can deliver this in under 60 seconds. Hit it. YouTube is always where I look when researching a new topic because honestly, it has videos on pretty much everything. But if I want to take notes as I watch, it gets a bit messy. So hello, picture-in-picture Chrome extension. While your video is playing, simply click the picture-in-picture icon to the right of the search bar and the video will minimize to the bottom right corner of your screen so you can multitask with ease. Like me, some creators collabing with global teams have faced the challenge of working with content that isn't necessarily in your native language. When I'm in this situation, I could not survive without Google Translate Chrome extensions. I can either translate the entire page with just a few clicks, or right-click a sentence or section I need help with. However I do it, it gets the job done. Fast and easy, and lets me focus on the creative part of my work. Alright creators, let me know in the comments what part of this video you found the most helpful, and if there's something you'd like for us to talk about in the next episode. Later, Gator!